Everyone, today we got a Huawei Wi-Fi Prime 2018 for a screen replacement. The battery is low, so it's gonna switch off. There is no SIM card reader there. Go all around, the phone is in bad condition. There is one flexi, this one, and the other flexi is at the bottom, so we have to open from everywhere. Mean top, bottom, both sides. Doesn't have many screws also. 1 2 3 4 5, but one is missing here. So 2. This plate comes out. It has a small hook here, so we put it aside. This plate will come out also. This one has a lock here. And this flexi connects here, and this flexi connects here. At this point we'll remove the battery, although you're supposed to remove it first. Then the screen is not in that good condition, so we will just pluck it out from somewhere where we can put our tweezer in there. With you might need to warm it up a bit with the hot plate or with the hot air station. So that's how the screen comes out. Clean. This one looks alright. Now we're going to test the screen quickly. So you can see the screen is working. We have tested it already. Everything seems alright. Now I'm going to show you how to put it. So once you have cleaned it, we're going to put V7000 glue all around so it can close properly. Here I'm going to put a little bit extra because the frame is broken. We're going to put it from outside also and let it dry so it can cover the edges of the screen and it doesn't break on a slight impact or light impact. Once the glue is on, we can slide in these two flexis onto its holes, given holes. 1 2. Press it and adjust it. See, this is what I was talking. Once the glue is dried, it gives a little bit extra cushion to it. So now we're going to put the flexis quickly. We have tested the screen already. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel, watch my videos. I need watch time. I need your help, guys. The second flexi goes here, and if you have any sort of question regarding any repairs, please do ask. I'll try my best to answer in an appropriate way where you can get your solutions. So once these things flexis are connected, we were short of the screws, so we're going to put them onto where they needed the most. There is a small hook there which must go under that. These are the small things sometimes you gotta look after, otherwise when you're closing the things they don't close proper. It goes, this hook goes under here. You can hear that click sound. We're going to put back the screw. It has a flexi here, so we're going to put one screw here more so it can hold it proper, and then we can put one here. We'll leave the middle one. Now the top cover goes. It has a clip here also. Press it a bit. Once all the screws are done, we're just simply going to close it. You can hear the locks popping in. Here we're going to put a little bit extra glue so it can cover, and then we're going to put the rubbers and let it dry. Until next time, please give me some watch time. Until next time, goodbye. Look after yourself, and any questions, let me know. So if you have a broken cover, you can just put this glue. It works as a rubber after drying it out. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.